Hello, everyone. We're about to embark on a virtual tour of this charming Russian apartment, starting with the first impression, the corridor. Now, let's step into the heart of this home, the kitchen. The kitchen is a culinary haven where functionality meets style. Sleek countertops and modern appliances make meal preparation a breeze. The thoughtful design allows for seamless flow, making it a social hub for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet meal for two. Cooking here is not just a chore, it's a culinary adventure. Next up, the place where relaxation and refreshment intertwine, the bathroom. Step into the bathroom, a space where modern amenities meet tranquility. The clean lines and subtle color palette create a spa-like atmosphere. The well-lit mirror and ample storage make getting ready a pleasure, and the shower offers a rejuvenating experience after a long day. It's not just a bathroom, it's a private oasis. And now, let's explore the cozy haven where dreams come to life, the bedroom. The bedroom, adorned with soft textures and calming colors, beckons you to unwind. The spacious bed promises a restful night's sleep, while the carefully chosen decor adds a touch of personality. The window provides a glimpse of the outside world, balancing intimacy with a connection to the vibrant city beyond. It's not just a bedroom, it's your personal retreat,